Hi, my name is Dr. Lori Hess, and I'm a bird and exotic animal veterinarian and owner of the Veterinary Center for Birds and Exotics in Bedford Hills, New York. While I think exotic pets can be great for families and they can make wonderful pets, there are a few things you need to ask yourself before rushing out and getting one for your family. First of all, do you have time for that pet? A lot of exotic pets really need a lot of time out of their cages, particularly birds. They need to be socialized. They need exercise. So do you have time for that pet? Do you have the finances for that pet? Remember, exotic animals need veterinary care, and many of them have very specific cage setups where they require particular lights, they may require produce, some require insects if they're reptiles. So there's specific feeding requirements, and it can get a little costly depending upon what animal you're taking care of. Also, commitment. Many of these animals, for example, larger birds and some of the reptiles, turtles and tortoises, some of the lizards, can live decades. So are you ready to have an animal in your life for that long a period of time? And if you're not, what are you going to do with that pet if you pass away, or if you outgrow that pet, or if you're giving that pet to a child and that child goes off to college? And finally, another consideration you may want to have is, again, do you have the space and do you have the living arrangement to accommodate that pet? If you live in a small apartment with not a lot of room for, say, a ferret to get out and run around, or if you have neighbors on the other side of your wall who go to sleep early, if you live in an apartment, for example, and you have a squawking parrot, then probably those are not the best choices for you. So before you rush out and make a commitment long-term to an exotic pet, you may want to consider all of these things so that you can pick the best pet that's right for you.